Here with Philip today. Philip, what's the name of your business and what do you do?
So the name of the business is Liddo Contracting. It started off as tile setting, but as time progressed and my business grew, I'm kind of more of a general contractor at this point.
So a bit of everything.
A little bit of this, a little bit of that.
Yeah. How long have you been with the GetAssist network?
GetAssist has been about 3.5 years at this point.
3.5 years. How have you found the GetAssist experience?
Honestly, life-changing. It's, again, started off with the tile setting, but through the connections that I was able to make and just the app and ways that you could work it, it's been able to grow my business just amazingly.
Fantastic. And we appreciate Partner Up, and obviously you renewed your membership several times over, and we'd like to thank you for your business.
Anytime.
Would you recommend GetAssist to any small business owner here in the GTA area?
Would be probably my biggest recommendation to
Fantastic.
absolutely any business.
Thank you. Appreciate it.